You may not be ready to hear that Father's Day is so near and with just days away. As usual, for subscribers of this channel, I've rounded up already some cool gifts for you. You're not too late to pick up a gift that dad will love you for. In fact, I've rounded up a couple of these which are on sale, and more better, all this can be dropped at the doorstep faster than you can say a word for your best dad. And if that sounds interesting, let's dive into some great deals. Now, before we begin, make sure to check the description for product links of all the products that I'm gonna be talking about. So with that said, and counting down to number 8, I have Amazon's smart speaker, and this 4th generation Echo Dot will help keep that in the loop of the latest technology. Gift him the 4th generation Echo Dot, trust me, he will love it. And this high related smart speaker is now 10% of its list price, and Prime members can even save way more. However, we are talking about 50% when they buy 2 for different rooms, which is amazing. And you can use this coupon code at the checkout to bring the total number of the pricing for the Echo Dot from $89.98 to $49.98 for a set. I mean, that's already amazing. You're getting 2 for the price of 1. Also, the reason why I picked this is that this one, it has got a really chic ob-shaped design which creates a sleek minimalistic aesthetic. Its sound output is good, and also it has got a really easy Alexa functionality to use, trust me. Counting down to number 7, I have sandals, and this is best for dads who prefer things which are airy when it comes to their footwear. These Dockers sandals are the best gift for him because almost every customer who buys them praises them to be like not only being stylish but also being comfortable and very easy to sleep on. Also, many buyers also praise them for being easily adjusted and easy to fit swelling ankles or feet, which is amazing. And what's more cool is that these shoes are only on sale for $24, which is amazing. Counting down to number 6, I have this eye-catching whiskey set, and as you can see, trust me, few things can cap off a long day like a smooth glass of whiskey on the rocks. And if you want to add a little panache to daddy's liquor collection, there is this Gold Digger decanter grub set on sale at Amazon at a discount of 44%, which is amazing, off its list price. And you can get this at only $50 now, which is amazing, guys. By the way, this set can be used for any liquid he likes, and it has a 5-star rating from its customers. It has got a beautiful and sturdy glass. It looks beautiful on the desk. It really looks good on the desk, trust me. And counting down to number 5, I have these super budget friendly wireless earbuds, and trust me, just help daddy to forget about fighting with cables. We are in the wireless era now, and with these G-Lab Go Air earbuds, he won't be able to stretch himself out with any single wire, trust me. And these earbuds are currently on sale for under $25 on Amazon, trust me. This is a good option, trust me. And going to number 4, I have this adaptable beard trimmer, and if daddy's facial hair situation needs addressing, give him a gift that will make it easier, like this Philips Noleco beard trimmer. Now it's at sale on Amazon for just $17 from its list price of $20, which is actually budget friendly, like according to its amazing work. And more than 61,000 customers have praised it for like having good battery life and also being able to handle various hair types, which is amazing. Counting down to number 3, I have a bag, and for those who are always on the go or dads who always travel a lot, there is the Timbuk 2 overnight briefcase, which is now available for $89, which is 53% of its price. And trust me, this is the best valued underseat luggage option on the market right now due to its multiple compartment design, which includes a padded laptop compartment in the back and an exterior pass-through pocket that can be used to slide onto the suitcase handle. So it will keep things for him nice and organized, trust me. And counting down to number 2, I have a waterproof speaker, and this is best for dads who love listening to music, and yeah, why not help him to listen to his favorite tunes no matter where the open road takes him. He'll get a kick out of the JBL Free 5 Bluetooth speaker. Trust me, these are best speakers. I've tried these myself. They have really amazing sound quality. It sounds creates room filling audio. Trust me, the audio sounds really great. And if that is a bit of butterfingers just like me, don't worry, this Bluetooth speaker is waterproof, and its rain-enforced rubber caps and rounded speaker grooves make it deeply and pretty durable. Trust me, it is very good. It sounds better, and trust me, he will love it. And topping up our list, I have the affordable stylish watch. And trust me, dads don't want to rock like smartwatches, which are a trend nowadays. And if your dad prefers the look and feel of the classic two-handed mechanical ticker, yeah, trust me, he will love this Citizen Eco Driver Chandler watch. It's so amazing. It looks so good. It has got a 4.5 rating at Amazon. Trust me, its buyers always praise it for being durable. It looks stylish and it matches with every outfit. And if you want to buy this, you can get this at only $109.75, which is a 51% discount off its list price. And that's it in today's video. If you want and interested in knowing deals online, please check out my blog. It's gonna be in the description below. I always write some great articles and also share some deals there. And if you found this video informative, please drop a like, subscribe, and check out the deals in the description also. And with that said, till next time, bye bye. Thank you guys for watching this video. Peace out.